Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School in Oceanside, California, home of the Knights, and I'm standing outside their library. On the other side of that is the MPR, the multi-purpose room, where we had another terrific assembly and positivity today. The sub-theme was to be your best self, and this means being the best version of who you can be everywhere and with everyone. And it's easy to be positive on days like today. The sun is shining out here in California, but on days when it's a little bit cloudy, not the best weather, kind of muggy, maybe even cold, rainy, of course it's a lot easier to have a negative outlook, right? Same thing in our hearts. If we're going through something, we have some storms in here, of course it's not always easy to really keep thinking positively. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. It says keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if we're feeling sad, looking down, feeling down, it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. The students really got that today. Had a few that shared their heart with me after, that really understood that part of being our best self, doing our best, is also reaching out for help when we need it, working together as a team, knowing that going it alone is not as easy as if we have those around us trying to help us, trying to be better people, right? And we also know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up. And so many times we make a mistake, we think we're a mistake, we fail, we think we're a failure. That's not it at all, right? But if we stop trying, then we have no chance to succeed. And if we stop, believing all the lies that are told us, the negative thoughts, the negative doubts, the limiting beliefs that sometimes come at us in our brains and in our hearts, right? We don't want to believe that. We'd rather be telling ourselves something more positive, right? And it's really hard to remove those negative feelings, once they are in here or in here, but it's possible, right? And we know we always have a choice, right? To have every moment, every day, to really, make good choices, to be those leaders that this world needs, and that we know that we're all capable of being. And so the students, they really inspired me. This is my last visit here for the school year, and I've been here many times over the years, but to keep on building in a positive fashion, knowing that we keep doing our best, we keep trying. We know that true excellence isn't necessarily about being the best or always winning the race or getting first place or 100%. It's just doing our best, right? That we try. We have the effort, not always the outcome, but if we give it our all, usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, we're gonna get the results that we want. If we plant those positive seeds in here and here, we're gonna get positive results in our life, right? And so we keep always looking for different ways to be the best version of who we can be. And that also means we really understand and comprehend our abilities, our potential, and how special each of us are. That ties into the concept I bring up in every assembly, the fact that we're all true miracles, like the lines on our hands. I trace one of mine here. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now it's our job to go out and be that light to someone else, right? Be that light to their heart with each and every breath, to keep doing our best and being our best selves. So thanks for touching my heart. It's great to see all of you. Have a great rest of 2025, 2026. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.